How's it going, everyone? It is Iric here. First time I'm showing my face on YouTube. In this episode of Unsolicited Advice, what we went ahead and did was something a little bit different. We went and looked at a biomedical company and the device they create, and we asked ourselves, how could you create an application that would enhance the value of this hardware device? So, in the course of it was about 3 days. The total amount of time to actually design was about 12 to 15 hours of actual work over those 3 days. And the cool thing is, with ProtoPie, you can actually download the app to your phone and play around with the actual application. And, everything is workable here. If I click into the test results, I can see the test results. So we're going to jump into that redesign right now and take it from there. All right, so this is episode 5 of Unsolicited Advice, and we're looking at a company called Recalibrate Solutions. They're based out of Denver, and they created this hardware device that allows you to monitor and test your cortisol levels at any time, whenever you want. You get this hardware device and some test strips, and you can go ahead and test your cortisol levels. So, in typical fashion, the main user objectives of this device and software would be to test current cortisol levels and view weekly trends and be notified if there's anything that seems to be out of whack. Now, this is their website. For this redesign, what we did was we looked at this hardware device and we asked ourselves, well, how can you actually enhance the experience of this hardware device? This is an example, for context, of a medical report from another testing company for cortisol levels. You use saliva to actually measure the cortisol levels, and you do it upon waking, 30 minutes after waking, 60 minutes after waking, then afternoon, and right before you go to sleep. And you can see that this is the lower range and this is the higher range, and this is the measurement of cortisol in the saliva. So with this app, you saw a little preview of the phone. Here's a makeshift family: Stephen, Carolyn, Carol. And we can see Carol's reports here when she last tested over the last month. And we can see results and go into more details about, well, why is this report high in terms of the actual results? And we can see that 6 hours after waking and 12 hours after waking and right before bed, her cortisol levels are in a very high range, and that needs to be addressed. And you can see the specific values here below on the samples 1 through 5. So that was like our quick redesign. Well, not even redesign. It was an iteration on a hardware device. Really cool hardware device because it's bringing testing to your home. You don't have to wait 6 to 7 days, send a kit to some random location, and wait for the results. The results are instant in the sense that you take the test strip, you put it into the device after you put saliva on the test strip, and by the end of the day, you're going to have your results. And you can see this monitored over time. So it's a really cool, really powerful device. It was a lot of fun iterating this, and here with the Boulder Road team, we're trying to push the bounds of prototyping to the next level. When this is an example of a 72-hour biotech startup. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and till next time.